Well, when the air conditioner first turns on, it will make a little rattling noise, like a little vibration noise for about the first 5 minutes, and then it just goes away. And now it seems to be working perfectly fine. It's working normally now. It's working at normal. Bedrooms unit are working really good. Living room unit's working good. And here's the bedroom unit. It's working really good on the inside there. So I have it on medium. Yeah, so I think these air conditioners are working fine for me. They're brand new. I bought them last year brand new. And I see their Wi-Fi too, which is pretty cool. This is just for a private message only. I'm not making a YouTube video on this, but yeah, I'll just get myself prepared. They're working fine. They're working good. Oh, nice and cool. I'm here all by myself. I'm lonely too. See you later, folks. Nice and cool in here. Cooler than outside. LG 8000 BT. They're working fine. I think I have nothing to worry about. Air conditioning heat unit, just like the portables up at the Prince Charles Public School in Verona. The big air conditioner that stick through the wall, which controls the wall thermostat. Ow!